Adil Shah perturbed. Okay, then the court of Adil Shah at Bijapur was passing anxious day. Now, children, what is meaning of anxious day? Means what I told you, nervous or showing worry. Anxious means nervousness. Okay, that time the Bijapur Adil Shah of Bijapur was very nervous. Okay, why? Because of Shivaji Maharaj getting exploited day by day. Benefit from उनको वो exploit हो रहे थे, means बढ़ रहे थे. So Bijapur of Adil Shah was very much nervous. Okay. The Sultan summoned all his Sardar to court to take stock of the situation. Now, summon means what? Order some of the person to be present over there. उन्होंने एक order छोड़ा. Sultan has given some order to present the Shivaji Maharaj in front of him. He ordered some of the sultans that go and bring Shivaji Maharaj in front of me. All the Sardars, including those known for their exploit and those comparatively unknown, attended. Now, who was the person who has given the order? Badi Sahiba has given the order. Badi Sahiba, the Jonga queen, who personally looked after the Adil Shahi administration. That time she was looking after the Adil Shahi's administration. She was looking over the administration, okay, of Adil Shahi from Bijapur, was also present over there in the court of Adil Shah. She was sitting over there. The one question before the assembly was, assembly means the persons who are sitting in the court, okay, they are present over in the court. Assembly was how to bring Shivaji to book and break his revolt. शिवाजी को यहाँ पे कोर्ट में, आदिल शाह के कोर्ट में लाया कैसे जा सकता है? This was a big person. This was a big question against front of the persons sitting in the court. All were frightened. Okay, all were frightened. means सब लोग डर रहे थे कि शिवाजी को कैसे लाया जाएगा, कैसे लाया जाएगा? तू जाएगा? Who will go? I will not go. वो मुझे मार डालेगा. All were frightened to bring Shivaji Maharaj in front of the Adil Shah. Okay. Badi Sahiba asked a straight question to hear the Sardars. उन्होंने सीधा एक क्वेश्चन पूछा सबको, सरदार को. Who is going to bring Shivaji Maharaj? Tell me, who is willing to march against Shivaji and put an end to his rebellion? Who is going to bring, and who is going to cut his head alive और जिंदा या मुर्दा उसको मेरे सामने खड़ा करना? कौन है? But all were afraid. I am not going to go. सब अपने एक दूसरे के मुंह को देखने लगे. They were staring at one of another persons. तू जाएगा? नहीं, मैं तो नहीं जाएगा. तू जाएगा? No, I will not go. They were frightened. Okay. The court becomes silent. Everybody sat quietly in his place and started looking at the next person. तू जाना. For who would dare accept the challenge of fighting Shivaji? Just then a giant of a man came forward and bowed respectfully. Bowed means उसने झुकाया अपना हेड को उसके सामने. अभी राजा हो या कोई persons, we are doing like this, we are bowing our head down. अपना हेड को डाउन करके means नमस्ते करके वो आगे आ गया. Respectfully before the throne. His name was Afzal Khan. What was his name? Was the Afzal Khan. Next slide, please. Next slide. Teacher, next slide. The Khan accept the challenge. Means who is the Khan? The Khan accept the challenge. The Afzal Khan accept the challenge. The Khan accept the challenge and pick up the bitter leaf from the slaver as a mark of acceptance. On the court, one table was there. In that tray, the bitter leaf was over there. Pan पता है? पाना वीड़ा. It was called the पाना सा वीड़ा. He accept that. उसने वो पान का वीड़ा उठाया, खाया और क्या बोला? I am going to bring. See what he said. Shivaji, who is Shivaji? He said. I shall arrest him and bring him here, or if that is not possible, I shall bring his dead body. कौन है ये शिवाजी? शिवाजी क्या कर रहे हो तुम लोग? कौन है ये शिवाजी? I will bring him in front of you. अगर नहीं ला पाऊंगा तो उसकी डेड बॉडी लेके आऊंगा. Who said this? Afzal Khan said this. Afzal Khan was one of the mighty Sardar at the court of Bijapur. His physical poses and strength were unbelievable. उसका physical body इतनी height and both body built था and heighted था. Okay. This Afzal Khan had accepted the challenge of bringing Shivaji to. dead or alive, dead or alive. The court was highly pleased. Everybody thought that it was the end of Shivaji. सब लोग डर गए. उन्होंने क्या सोचा, अभी शिवाजी तो मरने ही वाला है, he is going to die. मीन्स बोलते हैं ना, अभी वो तो मरने ही वाला है, अभी अफजल खान उसको मार डालेगा. ओके, and that he will be brought to Bijapur either alive or dead. Afzal Khan left Bijapur in a great pomp. जोर शोर से वो छोड़ दिया उसने बीजापुर. Okay, he was accompanied by the huge army, fully equipped for the battle. पूरे huge army के साथ battle field में वो घुस पड़ा. Everything was there. Okay. He was previously the Subedar of Vai for 12 years. He was the Subedar. I know that PPT is not going visible. Teacher, please see. PPT is not visible. PPT is not visible, teacher. She must be having some net problem issues, children. Bear it. I will teach you. No problem. Just see your textbook. It's no problem for the.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I will start once
I'm going to teach you. Okay, she is doing. Just see the textbook. He was previously the Subedar of Vai for 12 years and knew the country well. He marched on Maharashtra full of pride and confidence of success. Okay.
Hello, teacher. The slide was okay?
No, teacher.
Hello.
Again, children, I will read for you. The Khan accepted the challenge and picked up the beetle leaf from the slaver as a mark of acceptance. Shivaji, who is Shivaji? He said. I shall arrest him and bring him here, or if that is not possible, I shall bring his dead body. Okay? Afzal Khan was one of the mighty Sardar at the court of Bijapur. Physically power and strength were unbelievable. This Khan's Afzal Khan had accepted the challenge of bringing Shivaji to court and dead or alive. Dead or alive. Okay? The court was highly pleased. Everybody thought that it was the end of Shivaji and that he could be brought to Bijapur either alive or dead. Either alive or dead. अफजल खान लेफ्ट बीजापुर इन द ग्रेट प्रॉम्प्ट जोर शोर से वो चल पड़े. He was accompanied by a huge army fully equipped by battle. For battle. He was previously the Subedar of Vai. He was the Subedar of Vai previously. पहले वो कहाँ क्या करते थे? Subedar of Vai थे. Okay. For 12 years. How many years? For the 12 years. And knew the country well. He marched on Maharashtra full of pride and confidence of success. Full of pride and confidence of success. Okay, next slide. Swaraj in danger. Now abhi Swaraj danger tha. Shivaji was not knowing that Afzal Khan is marching against the Vai. Okay, because Shivaji was वो अपने इसमें थे, दुनिया में थे. Okay, at this time Shivaji was at Rajgarh. Where was Shivaji Maharaj that time? He was in the fort of Rajgarh. द न्यूज़ ऑफ अफजल खान मूवमेंट. उसको न्यूज़ आ गई उनके कान में कि अफजल खान मार्च कर रहा है उनके अगेंस्ट. ओके, he immediately saw that Swaraj was in great danger. He started thinking, now मेरा स्वराज डेंजर में है, now what to do? But he did not lose courage. पर वो खुद का करेज खो नहीं दिए. वो उनका बोलते ना अटल मीन्स मैं करूँगा ही, मैं उसके साइड फाइट करूँगा. आई विल गोइंग टू फाइट विद अफजल खान. कुछ भी हो जाए, मेरी जान चली जाए, तभी भी मैं स्वराज के लिए आई एम गोइंग टू फाइट विद द अफजल खान. ओके, दैट he knew that the Khan was full of stratagems and had a huge army with him. Shivaji's kingdom was very small in comparison and so was his army. शिवाजी का kingdom अफजल खान के kingdom से बहुत छोटा था. Even the army also was very less in front of the Afzal Khan's army. Okay, he could see that he could never hold his own in open battlefield. The Khan, शिवाजी महाराज वॉज नोइंग दैट उसको ओपन फील्ड में मैं उसको अगर बोलूँगा ना तो आ जाए मेरे साथ फाइटिंग करने के लिए ओपन फील्ड में, वो हारने वाले. सो व्हाट डिड शिवाजी डिड? He made a plan. What he made, we will see again. Okay, his only hope was in some strategic move that could take the Khans by surprise. In consultation with Jijabai से उन्होंने बात किया कि what should I do? कुछ भी, you want to go somewhere, you are going to ask your mother and father, yes or no? Same like that, Shivaji went to Jijabai and asked, what should I do now? Okay, and with her blessing, Shivaji Maharaj shifted his headquarters to Rajgarh to the Pratapgarh. राजगढ़ से वो अपना हेडक्वार्टर कहाँ पे शिफ्ट किया? To the प्रतापगढ़. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. Afzal Khan's counter move. Okay, when the Khans learned that Shivaji had moved to Pratapgarh, he became very angry. Now Afzal Khan, what Khan learned that Shivaji Rajgarh से प्रतापगढ़ भाग रहे, वो बहुत गुस्से में आ गया. Okay, he became angry. He was aware of difficulties in conquering Pratapgarh. Okay, it was surrounded with a thick forest and high hill. प्रतापगढ़ कहाँ पे था? It was surrounded by the thick forest and high hill. Teacher, next slide I said. There was no proper approach road to the fort and it was very difficult to move his artillery. Artillery means, okay, means जहाँ पे उसने लाया था, जो उसके साथ फाइट करने के लिए उन्होंने बोलते ना इक्विपमेंट लाए थे, वहाँ से मूव करने के लिए बहुत इम्पॉसिबल था. और दैट रोड वॉज वेरी स्मॉल एंड ऑल दैट. Beside the jungle was full of wild animal who was roaming over there, and tigers and wolves and all that was roaming over there. Okay, the Khan initiated many moves in the hope of bringing Shivaji down to the plain. He attacked the holy cities, but what Afzal Khan did? He started attacking the holy cities. Holy cities means temples and all that, masjid and all that. He started not masjid, temples and all that. उसने अटैक करना चालू कर दिया. क्यों? क्योंकि शिवाजी नीचे आएगा, प्रतापगढ़ से नीचे आएगा और मेरे से फाइट करेगा. ओके, ही स्टार्टेड प्लानिंग दिस. हु मेड दिस प्लान? अफजल खान मेड. ही अटैक द होली सिटी ऑफ पंढरपुर एंड तुलजापुर. ही हैरेस द पीपल. उन्हें अपना पीपल को हैरेस करना चालू कर दिया. मार धाड़ तोड़ना, उनको मारना, उनको ये करना, हैरेस, पानी नहीं देना, खाने के लिए नहीं देना. ही स्टार्टेड हैरेसिंग द पीपल. He was hopeful that this tactic will bring Shivaji down to the plains. But Shivaji proved too clever for him. पर शिवाजी वहाँ से प्रतापगढ़ से हिले ही नहीं. Okay? He refused to leave Pratapgarh. Then the Khan changed his tactic. In a spirit of apparent friendliness, he sent a message to the Shivaji. अभी इतना करने के बाद भी शिवाजी प्रतापगढ़ से नीचे नहीं आ रहे. Even harassing the people, even harassing the subject and all that. And what Afzal Khan did, he changed his tactic. उसने अपना plan change किया. He sent a friendliness message to the Shivaji Maharaj. Means एक letter भेजा किसको? शिवाजी महाराज को. Who sent this? Afzal Khan said to the Shivaji Maharaj, "You are the lion of son to me." Sorry, children. They refused to live. Okay, friend. You are the lion, a son to me. Come and see me. तुम lion की तरह हो, son हो तुम मेरे. Come and see me. मेरे को मिलने के लिए आ जाओ. Return our fort and I shall see that Adil Shah makes you the Sardar at his court. What he did? Fort पे return आ जाओ and I will see that Adil Shah तुमको क्या सरदार बनाएगा at his court. At his court. Okay. Next slide please. Next slide. For that, Shivaji quickly saw through the Khan's offer. He was taking no chances. He decided somehow to persuade the Khans to come up the fort. In reply to the Khan's message, he said, "Khan Sahib, I am guilty for having captured your fort. मुझे बहुत दुख है. Guilty. I am feeling very guilty. मुझे कैसे भी लग रहा है कि मैंने तुम्हारा fort कैप्चर किया." Who said this? Shivaji Maharaj said it to the Khan Sahib, means Afzal Khan. I have you promised of pardon for this. I am promising you I will not do again this. Please come and meet me at the foothill of प्रतापगढ़. क्या बोलते हैं? प्लीज़ मैं वहाँ पे नहीं आऊँगा, आप ही आ जाओ. वहाँ पे कहाँ पे? फुट हिल पर, मीन्स नीचे, डोंगर के नीचे, इन द फोर्ट के नीचे आ जाओ. वी विल मीट देम. आई एम रियली अफ्रेड ऑफ कमिंग डाउन टू प्लान टू मीट यू. मुझे बहुत डर लग रहा है आपका. हु सेड दिस? शिवाजी महाराज सेड दिस. दिस रिप्लाई ऑफ शिवाजी प्लीज अफजल खान. व्हाट अफजल खान थॉट? अयो शिवाजी मेरे से डर गया. ओके, ही इज रेडी टू मीट मी. ओके, अफजल खान थॉट लाइक दैट. पासिंग हिज फिंगर थ्रू हिज बियर्ड ही स्माइल्ड एंड सेड. पासिंग मीन्स अपने दाढ़ी पर उसने हाथ फेराया और बोला, क्या बोला? दिस इज गुड न्यूज. चलो अच्छी बात है, शिवाजी महाराज मेरे से डर गया. ओके, शिवाजी महाराज मेरे से डर गया. What can शिवाजी डू अगेंस्ट द माइटी सरदार? वो मेरे से क्या फाइटिंग करेगा? वो तो इतना छोटा है मेरे सामने. आई एम सो बिग. ही हैज़ नो गट्स टू फाइट मी. उसमें इतनी हिम्मत नहीं है. गट्स में हिम्मत नहीं है उसको मेरे से फाइट करने की. आई शैल माई सेल्फ गो टू प्रतापगढ़. चलो जाने दो उसको, मैं माफ़ करके मैं खुद चला जाता हूँ वहाँ पर उसको मिलने के लिए. एंड आई एम गोइंग टू किल देयर टू हुम शिवाजी महाराज एंड पुट एन एंड टू हिज लाइफ व्हेन वी मीट. हम लोग मिलने के बाद उसको मैं मार डालूंगा. So he agreed Shivaji's proposal, and he agreed Shivaji's proposal. Okay. Next slide, please. Next slide. The meeting place. Meeting place was with the marchi on Pratapgarh was chosen as the meeting place. प्रतापगढ़ के नीचे में जो जगह थी वहाँ पर उन्होंने मीट करना ये कर दिया. That we are going to meet there on the marchi of Pratapgarh. A date and a time was fixed. A date and a time was fixed of the meeting. It was agreed that each one could be accompanied by the several and followed by the 10 bodyguards at the distance. How many 10 bodyguards were there? थोड़े दूर खड़े रहेंगे. A special road was constructed. एक special road construct कर दिया. कि किसको आना है? अफजल खान आ रहा है इसलिए. For the convenience of the Khan and bring a big shamiana put up for the meeting. A big shamiana means एक बड़ा सा ये बोलते हैं ना टेंट बांध दिया, उसके अंदर बड़ा मस्त सजाया गया था, लाइटिंग्स एंड ऑल दैट, फिर चमक के पर्दे एंड ऑल दैट. इट्स कॉल्ड अ शामियाना was built over there. Okay, next slide. Every move of Shivaji was marked by great caution. शिवाजी महाराज के ऊपर इतना बारीक नजर थी कि शिवाजी महाराज क्या कर रहे हैं, पर शिवाजी महाराज उससे भी होशियार थे. He divided his army into small units. Each unit was told where to hide and when and how to act. He took every measure of safety and left nothing to chance. Many of his advisors tried to dissuade him from meeting the Khan. शिवाजी महाराज हैज टोल्ड ईच एंड एवरी पर्सन टू स्टैंड वेयर टू वेयर. एक एक बारीकी से वो लोग उन्होंने खड़ा किया था. अगर यहाँ से अटैक हुआ तो तुम लोग यहाँ से आ जाओ, अगर यहाँ से अटैक हुआ तो यू विल कम फ्रॉम दिस साइड. ओके, ईच एंड एवरी सेफ्टी वॉज ओवर देयर. कुछ भी चांस नहीं लेना चाहते थे वो लोग. बहुत जन ने उनको बताया, बोला गया कि प्लीज डोंट गो एंड मीट खान, प्लीज डोंट गो एंड मीट खान. ओके, द खान्स वर्ड कुल बी नॉट ट्रस्टेड. उसको विश्वास, उस पर विश्वास नहीं किया जा सकता है. Who said this? Some of the persons told Shivaji Maharaj, don't trust Afzal Khan. He is not trusty person. He is not person. But Shivaji brushed aside this advice and decided to meet the Khan as arranged. शिवाजी ने ये सब कुछ नहीं सुना और he started decided to meet the Khans. जैसे जैसे उसने अरेंज किया था वैसे ही वो उनको मिलना चाहते थे. Okay, next slide. Before the meeting, one day of the meeting, एक दिन पहले मीटिंग के, शिवाजी visited भवानी's temple in the morning and took दर्शन. भगवान के दर्शन लिए उन्होंने और फिर आगे बढ़ने लगे of Bhavani. Okay, soon after he started putting on his ceremonial clothes. Ceremonial clothes. Can you see the coats over there? Can you see children? The coat of mail. कपड़े के अंदर उन्होंने ये सब कुछ पहना था. कोट ऑफ मेल, वागनक, बिछुआ, दान पट्टा, चिर टोपी एंड ऑल दैट. मीन्स ये सब कुछ पहन के वो चले गए. कहाँ पे? इन फ्रंट ऑफ दी अफजल खान. विश्वास नहीं किया जा सकता था अफजल खान के ऊपर. He wore a sarwar and the coat of mail. Over the coat of mail, he wore a kurta and a following robe. One on his head, the place the jir topi helmet. देखो उसके बाद उन्होंने अपनी टोपी डाली एंड टाइड द मंडल अराउंड इट. जिर टोपी के बाद उसके ऊपर मंडल बांध दिया, मीन्स कपड़े का ये बांध दिया. फीटेड वागनक. onto the finger of his left hand. Left hand में क्या किया उन्होंने? वाग लगा. Chain mails, can you see the chain mail over there? Okay, the coat of a mail जो लोखंड से बनाया जाता है. Okay, he fitted Wagner onto the left hand side. Okay, hidden inside the left sleeves was बिछुआ. लेफ्ट साइड में क्या किया था? बिछुआ रखा था. मीन्स जब जैसे उसने ये किया उसको घुसा देगी लाइक दैट. ओके, देन बिछुआ एंड ही कैरिड द दान पट्टा ऑन हिज हैंड. इन हिज हैंड पे क्या था? दान पट्टा था. ही वॉज नाउ रेडी टू फेस द खान. अभी वो तैयार थे किसको फेस करने के लिए? अफजल खान को. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. All the Sardars were waiting outside. All the Sardars, जब शिवाजी महाराज तैयार हो रहे थे, कौन खड़ा था बाहर? All the Sardars were waiting outside. उनके घर मीन्स रूम के बाहर खड़े थे. शिवाजी turned to them and said, "Friends, each one of you must carry out the duties assigned to you." उसने क्या किया? जो जो मैंने तुमको ड्यूटीज दिए, you are going to assign, you are going to follow that duties. Whatever duties I have given you, you are going to follow that duties. Okay. I am sure the goddess Bhavani will see that we succeed. हमें को विश्वास है भगवान के ऊपर. Okay, मेरे को विश्वास है भगवान के ऊपर that she will see whatever is there. But if things go wrong, कुछ भी हो जाए, wrong हो जाए. I know screen is not there, children. Teacher screen is not visible. Sure, the goddess Bhavani will see that we succeed. But if things go wrong and I am killed, do not lose heart. अगर कुछ wrong हो जाए और मैं मर जाऊँ, तुम्हारा बोलते हैं दिल को मीन्स दुखी मत हो जाना तुम लोग, लाइक दैट. ओके. इंस्टेड संभाजी ऑन द गादी. अगर मैं मर जाऊँ तो किसको गादी पे बिठाओगे? संभाजी को तुम लोग गादी पे बिठा सकते हो. फॉलो द कमांड ऑफ माँ साहेब. किसकी याद नहीं ये करोगे तुम लोग? फॉलो करोगे कमांड को? माँ साहेब की. स्वराज and extend its boundaries. Make the subject happy. I shall go now to meet the Khan. उसने this information order he has been given to the friend. अगर कुछ हो जाए तो प्लीज माँ साहब का एक बार स्वराज के लिए हेल्प करो. Make the subject happy and all that. I shall go now to meet Khan. We was किसके साथ हो गए? Pantaji Gopinath. Who was he? He was the Vakil of Shivaji Maharaj. And 10 bodyguards including Jivaji Mahale, Sambhaji Kavji, Eshaji Kank, Krishnaji Gaikwad, Siddhi Ibrahim and others. These were the bodyguards of Shivaji Maharaj. Okay. Teacher's screen sharing is not visible. No problem, children. Just see the textbook. When Shivaji reached the Shamiana, अभी कहाँ पे पहुँच गए? शिवाजी महाराज रीच हो गए, नीचे आ गए, प्रतापगढ़ से शामियाना तक आ गए. He saw that the Khan had already arrived. उसने क्या देखा? शिवाजी महाराज saw that the Khan is arrived first only. There Khan is there already. Okay, he was busy planning his future. When Shivaji reached the Shamiana, again stopped. Next slide. He saw that the Khan had already arrived. He was busy planning his future move. Okay, who was planning his future move? Afzal Khan was planning his future move. Standing by his side was an armed soldier, बड़ा सैयद by name. उसके बाजू में कौन खड़ा था? बड़ा सैयद करके नाम का एक सोल्जर खड़ा था. ओके. He was highly skilled in his use of दान पट्टा. वो किस में होशियार था? दान पट्टे में होशियार था. Shivaji came to the entrance of Shamiana. Entrance पे वो रुक गए. Who? Shivaji stopped there in the entrance of the Shamiana. But on seeing बड़ा सैयद, he stopped and could not proceed further. उसने बड़ा सैयद को देख लिया. Shivaji Maharaj saw that बड़ा सैयद is standing beside the Afzal Khan. Then what Shivaji Maharaj said? The Khan asked Shivaji's Vakil, why Shivaji stood at the entrance instead of coming in? खान ने क्या पूछा वकील को? शिवाजी महाराज उधर ही क्यों खड़े? शिवाजी उधर क्यों खड़ा हो गया? अंदर क्यों नहीं आ रहे? Then what is Vakil said? Next slide. What is Vakil said? Vakil said he is afraid of बड़ा सैयद. He is afraid of बड़ा सैयद. वो डर रहे बड़ा सैयद के, आपके सोल्जर से डर रहे शिवाजी महाराज. Please ask him to go away. उसको बोलो यहाँ से चले जाओ. Next slide. बड़ा सैयद moved away and Shivaji stepped in. तो बड़ा सैयद वहां से चल पड़ा और शिवाजी महाराज अंदर आ गया. The Khan got up and said, "Come, Shivaji Raje, let us embrace each other as a mark of our friendship." What Afzal Khan said, "आजा राजे, शिवाजी राजे आ जाओ और गले मिलो मेरे, ओके, और हमारी फ्रेंडशिप का हम लोग मार्क करेंगे." नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. The struggle with the Khan. Now what happened? We will see the struggle with the Khan. Teacher, next slide. Shivaji Maharaj cautionally took a step forward and the Khan took him in his embrace. शिवाजी महाराज ने क्या हुआ, थोड़ा सा आगे बढ़ गए और अफजल खान ने उनको गले लगा के जोर से पकड़ लिया. Compared to his giant Khan, शिवाजी महाराज उनके सामने बहुत छोटे थे and अफजल खान was very big in front of Shivaji Maharaj. Shivaji Maharaj was short. He reached only as far as the Khan's chest. कहाँ तक वो पहुंचे? खान के चेस्ट तक ही पहुंच पाते थे. At the same moment, the Khans held Shivaji's neck in his iron grip and stepped him on the side of his struggle. अफजल खान ने उनकी मुड़ी पकड़ ली, जकड़ ली बोलते ना, और उनको जोर से पकड़ लिया एक हाथ से. The Khan held Shivaji's neck in his iron grip and stepped him on the side with his dagger. He tore apart the Shivaji robe, but the coat was well under and saved him. जो कोट इससे बनाया था लोखंड से, उसका ऊपर वाला कोट है ना, ओके, और अंदर वाला कोट तो बच गया. उसके अंदर क्या था? लोखंड का बनाया हुआ कपड़े थे. शिवाजी knowing that the Khan was trying to kill him, शिवाजी को पता था that Khan is trying to kill him, okay, quickly thrust the वागनक in the Khan's stomach. उसने क्या किया? लेफ्ट हैंड से वो वागनक निकाले और किसके अंदर डाले? उसके पेट के अंदर घुसा डाले. Drawing out the bichwa with his right hand, और राइट हैंड से बिचवा निकाला. ओके, he drawed into his stomach and tore apart his guts. उसने वो बिचवा उसके पेट में डाल के घुसा डाला. ओके, then the wounded Khan fell down. जख्मी खान कहाँ पे? नीचे गिर गया. Khan's वकील कृष्णाजी भास्कर came forward and attacked Shivaji with his sword. ओके, खान का वकील आगे आ गया. क्या हुआ? उसने अटैक किया. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड टीचर. Come forward and attack Shivaji with his sword, but Shivaji killed him with his one stalk of पट्टा. दान पट्टे से उसको, खान के वकील को मार दिया गया. When बड़ा सैयद heard the shout and noise, he rushed into the शामियाना. बाद में बड़ा सैयद, उसका जो सोल्जर था खान का, उसने आवाज सुना कि कुछ तो गड़बड़ है अंदर शामियाना में, और वैसे ही वो अंदर भाग गया. As he was about to strike Shivaji, Jivaji Mahalla came between them and killed बड़ा सैयद. जैसे वो अपने इसको ये करता मारने गया, इसको शिवाजी महाराज को, who came in middle of that? जिवाजी महल्ला came between शिवाजी महाराज and killed बड़ा सैयद. ऐसे बोलते हैं ना कि जीवामुळे वाचला शिवा, मीन्स दिस इज द, बोलते हैं ना, एक बोला गया एक बोला गया, जीवामुळे वाचला शिवा. बिकॉज ऑफ शिवा, जीवा वॉज सेव्ड. लाइक दिस इज द स्लोगन become a common saying afterwards. Shambhaji Kevji display a great bravery in his conflict. Okay, now next slide. The rout of Afzal Khan's army. Thus with the trumpet, Shivaji went up to the fort. Shivaji Maharaj won in this battlefield and killed Afzal Khan over there. The guns boomed and gave the signal. Gun की आवाज चालू हो गई, और उसमें क्या होता है? गन्स की आवाज जब आती है तो हम लोग को क्या है? वी आर द विनर ऑफ दिस फाइट, लाइक दैट. ऑन द इंस्टेंट शिवाजी ट्रूप केम आउट ऑफ देयर हाइडिंग एंड अटैक द खान्स आर्मी. द खान्स आर्मी वॉज कम्प्लीटली अनप्रिपेयर्ड. उनको पता ही नहीं था कि यहाँ पे छुपे हुए हैं शिवाजी महाराज के, ऑल दैट, फॉर द खान्स, एंड वॉज कॉट इन द डिफिकल्ट टेरम. दे कुड नॉट इवन रन अवे टू सेव द लाइव्स. उनको टाइम ही नहीं मिला यहाँ पे भागने के लिए. शिवाजी महाराज के ट्रूप्स ने उनको मार दिया गया. The Maratha troops chased them in a hot pursuit and destroyed the whole of the Khan's powerful army. Faizal Khan, Afzal Khan's son, who escaped with great difficulty, reached Bijapur. उस पर अफजल खान का सन भी था, उसमें वो भाग चुका वहाँ से, एंड कहाँ पे पहुँच गया? बीजापुर वो पहुँच गया. His account of the disaster campaign spread gloom over the whole of Bijapur. वहाँ पे सबको पता चलने लगा कि ऐसा हुआ. Okay? This was an end of the story. Today's story was end. Thank you, teacher, for showing. Children understood the chapter.